Go. Well, let me do target. So, go. Everyone start down the roads, and everyone wake up if you're AFK or anything like that. There. Do we have any AFK units?
We do one.
Oh, I think you got lagging. That's unlucky. It's a Paris service, yeah, it's a Paris one. Yeah.
Give me a Kaika, guys. 3, 2, 1, Kaika.
Alright, let's do it me on the far right, and then I'll switch if need be. Okay. I reckon this way, I'm gonna break off. Just break off.
Dude, 1, Gen.
Let's keep walking this way. The Gren isn't loaded fully, so
1, Gen.
let's put the option to work on. Yeah, just keep walking up, keep walking up, keep walking up. Everyone keep walking this way.
2, 1, Gen.
I'm gonna re-angle here, re-angle here, re-angle here. No re-angle, reform there you go. Any of us actually hear anything? Oh, K6 it. No, fair enough, K6. And everyone up. If you reload, just walk in a line. 4, 2,
2, 1, Gen.
go. Nice. Oh, we have our first left, Chryso. You suck, Chryso. There you go.
2, 1, Gen.
Mom, I died!
How do you fucking hit these guys? So there. Through coming.
2, 1, Gen.
Are they not gonna move up? Oh my fucking god. And then run up, left and right.
2, 1,
Come
Gen.
right. And space out, walk the line.
Two, 1, Gen.
There you go, fuck no, I hit something and it's that fucking flag. There you go. Cool, keep your space and keep your shots, especially at this range, they're gonna be aiming for the conks because it's the easy kill. There you go, cool. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, Gen.
Literally standing right, there you go. Are they gonna be bordering and just not move from where they are? Is it gonna be? Oh, is it actually gonna be focused on this? Oh, please no. Amazing. Historical event.
3, 2, 1, Gen.
No. Alright, we're gonna walk it right because I'm bored of this. So I actually want to push up. There you go. You walking right? Flag up.
3, 2, 1, Gen.
Reform here. Left side shift in if you see a gap, and then respawns go right. There you go. Respawns go right. Oh, actually, just say where you are.
3, 2, 1, Gen.
Nice, good shots. There you go. You can actually hit something now at this range. Nice. Right side come in. Spacing. Thank you.
3,
Nice.
2,
There
1,
you
Gen.
go. Boring fucking there you go.
2, 1, Gen.
This and that's what you have to do. Honestly, just shoot wherever your lines are best, like if there's skills, there's skills. There you go. Cool.
2, 1, Gen.
Reform, just shoot, that's what we have to do. There you go. Nice. Everyone shift it right, shift it right, just walk right, please. There you go. I'm gonna reform here, hit flag up, reform. Got the bearing angle fuser if you want to shoot it. Spacing, guys,
2,
spacing.
1, Gen.
Look at the angle I got you, if you want to shoot it, you can. There you go. Stay in line, spacing, go, space, please,
2,
space.
1, Gen.
Nice, there you go. Keep your spacing, keep your line bonus, there you are, go. Everyone up, reform here.
Here they go. 3, 2, 1, gent.
There you are, nice. Spacing. Ooh, nice, good shots, good shots. Re-angle here, forward.
3, 2, 1, gent.
There you go, spacing guys, spacing in the middle please. You guys are dying in the middle because of bad spacing, come on. You guys should know better, there you go. Shoot for the flag if you can, shoot for the flag, shoot for the flag.
Okay,
Shoot in the middle. Oh, they're facing to us and oh, what the fuck is this? There you go, stay in the line, stay in the line, stay in the line, stay in the line. I shoot my lines through. There you go. Shoot, 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 shoot. You have to land your shot.
3, 2, 1,
You
gent.
have to land your shot. Have to land your shot. Oh, there's that flight down. Maybe I'll break. There you go. Stay here, stay, 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 stay. Stay, 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 stay.
3, 2, 1, gent.
Refund the shoot, refund the shoot. Yeah, we traded breaks, it's fine. That's whatever. So it's. Okay. Shooting, yeah. There's nothing else to do.
3, 2, 1, gent.
There you go. Spacing now, fuck me. We could have been so much better in that shootout if we just had spacing. Spacing was the main consistent thing that we need to improve on. Come on. There you go. Yeah.
The gap happens
3,
in
2, 1, gent.
I mean, just clumping in the middle. I think they're getting a lot of free kills and a lot of flag downs just because we're clumping. There you go. Go to the sides, sides get shot less as well. If you want more kills, there you go. Nice, there you go. Oh my god, we're so good at the game. We're so good at the video game. Oh my god. Oh, they have a rocket, GG. We've lost. They have the positional advantage.
Aim for head.
3, 2, 1, gent.
You can feed the whole solar system between the stuff.
There you go, fit
Use
fucking.
that one gift.
We can put. No, we can
2,
fit
1,
that.
gent.
House forward in this.
Plug up, plug up.
Back up, thank you. Everyone walk to the left. Got right, sorry. Same thing, same thing, same thing, same thing. Everyone walk this way, reformer here. Forward, 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 forward. Get to line and shoot. There you go, free kills.
You can go flag.
Spacing now, space, space, space. Sorry.
2, 1, gent.
How the fuck did you get it?
There you go, spacing, please, guys, come on. There you go.
3, 2, 1, gent.
There you go, go. Oh, we're up 70 points on them just from shooting, so clearly we're doing something correct. There you go.
3, 2, 1, gent.
If they aren't going off the mount, you put all your shots into pancakes line. If they're not moving off the mount, just shoot double volley. If you're trading, just affect the balance on the volley. There. Let's like them if you can for like up. Oh, they pulled off. There you go. You're gonna do 1v1.
3,
Oh.
2, 1, gent.
There. Nice. Good shots. Good shots. Good shots. Everyone up. Reform a hill. Good aim, mate. There you go. Spacing. Who's hugging each other
3,
on this
2,
side?
1, gent.
Winston and French. Oh, you two. You're so cute, bro.
Okay.
There you go. Keep shooting. Just keep your spacing. Keep your shots. You're beating them in shots by quiet hands. There you go.
3, 2, 1, gent.
Your left side coming.
Let's come in left side, please.
What's that?
There you go. Shots matter everything. There you go. We're slowly inching towards them, so shots actually do matter. It leads up
3, 2,
to.
1,
Plug up, plug up.
gent.
There you go. Stack right side. Flag, please. Thank you.
Plug
Flag
up.
again. Okay, there you go. I missed the gun.
3, 2, 1, gent.
Spacing the fuck now, you guys, guys, please, spacing, come on. Don't get wasted because of bad spacing.
3, 2, 1, gent.
There you go. Good shots, good shots, good shots, good shots, re-angle here. There you Go, they're stuck in their right side. If you want to shoot, you shoot their
3,
right
2,
side.
1, gent.
Goes. There you go. Shoot their right side with the left side coming in to clump on them. There you go. Nice, 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 nice. There you go. Look at that. Reform here.
2, 1, gent.
If the flag is stacking one side of the line, it probably means they're stacking their respawns on that side. There you go. Spacing, guys.
2, 1, gent.
Alright, focus the center of the line. Focus the center. I want all shots on their center, all shots on their flag. There you go. That's like I'm in. Flag up.
Flag up, flag up,
Left
flag up.
side, there
3, 2, 1, gent.
Flag up again.
Nice flag. Fucking me.
Flag first, more to the right. Right on
Yeah, they're stuck in there. They're stuck in there. Right, come on.
2,
Here we can go.
1,
Here we can
gent.
go. Here we can go. Here we can go. There you go.
Also be more close to the line.
2, 1, gent.
Name of it.
There you go.
Be aware if you can, you know, like they're slowly creeping up on us.
There you go. I see.
2, 1, gent.
Everyone pull, pull, pull.
Flag up,
Flag up, pull. Flag up, pull. We got too many flag downs and no one's picking
Flag
up.
up,
So
flag up.
pull, flag up, please. There you go. Pull like humans. Flag play for CS, recon ahead.
3, 2, 1, gent.
Flag up to the flag.
There you go.
Flag up, flag up.
Flag up,
Flag up,
please.
flag up.
Flag, please. Okay, everyone pull. No, chew not flag too much, and we can pick it up. Evidently, everyone
3,
come
2,
right.
1, gent.
There you go. Let me just reset this, because fuck me.
Flag up, flag up.
Apparently our flag just doesn't want to stay up. Or they're hacking.
Yes.
3, 2,
They
1,
can't be
gent.
hacking or shooting up flag, they have to be hacking, clearly. Yeah. Nice, good shots, good spacing, that's what you have to do. Nice, send everyone up, cool.
Flag up, flag up.
Flag, please, thank you. Oh, left side come in. You're struggling for
1, gent.
line buffs. You might have figured it
Flag up,
out.
flag up.
Missing on the right.
Look how good our shots are. Half their line is missing. You really need to focus on spacing, guys. Don't give them anything back. Just focus on keeping our flag up. There you go.
3, 2, 1, gent.
They're only going for our flag. They're only going for our flag. So we go for fucking theirs. Come on. There you go. All shots on their flag.
Be more to the right side.
There you go. All shots on their flag. Everyone shoot their flag. Everyone shoot their flag. Down it. Down it. Down it. I
Echo,
want
right
flag downs
side,
coming
right
out the
side.
fucking lasso.
Dude.
I'm not doing their flag. Just following. There you go. Nice. There you are. Right side come in. Right in the north. There you go.
Ego, right, Ego, right.
Recon
2,
here.
1, gent.
There you go. Spacing, please. Thank you.
Ah, there, be there now.
There you go, again, prioritize their flank. If there's a free kill on their flank, shoot their fucking flank. That's what you have to do. There you go. Spacing, please, guys. What the fuck is this in the middle? Hello? Space the fuck out. Holy fuck, I just saw 5 people making spacing. Oh, look at the CS difference now, because 5 died in that, like, one little bit. There you go, flag up, please, thank you. Fuck me, guys.
3, 2, 1, gent.
There you go, they're stuck on their right side, so aim for their right on their flag. There you go, shoot for their flag or their right side. Please, thank you. Pretty simple stuff.
3, 2, 1, gent.
There you go, replay.
3, 2,
Nice, look at
1,
that,
gent.
look at that. We down their flag and then we just... and run up. Honestly, whatever
2,
line
1,
you
gent.
recommend, you can go right maybe and put pressure on this Gren line. And save a shot and waste it. Why are we wasting shots? Maybe the front just got wasted
2,
by the one.
1, gent.
Everyone just come up this way. Spin all this way, by me. That guy, okay, he's gonna kill me, but just keep walking this way. There.
3, 2, 1, gent.
Keep walking this way, keep walking this way, keep walking this way, keep walking this way. Get ready to reform it. Reform it. Just go Just get ready to. There you go.
3, 2, 1, chin.
Shot. Oh fuck, these guys are reswaying. Why are we wasting shots still? Please. Brains, please. Maybe. Perhaps. Perhaps. There you go. They run up. Keep walking up.
3, 2, 1, chin.
Okay, they aren't actually well, I thought they were going to reform on the rock. Okay, they full reset from my matchup. Reformer here, behind the rock, flag up.
Oh, hi, either way.
How the fuck did you get shot?
No idea.
There you go. Everyone up, 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 up,
3, 2, 1, chin.
Alright, don't trade, don't trade, don't trade. Remember, don't trade. You up, 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 up. Hold heavy, hold heavy. If you can, shoot that line on the road, shoot the line on the road.
2, 1, chin.
There you go. Everyone come right, everyone up and right, up and right, up and right. Is the roofing shoot my line for me, please?
3, 2,
Everyone up,
1, chin.
Hey, everyone come up, reformer here, reformer here.
Flag up, flag up.
There you go. You have the angle as well. You just throw your fist to shoot it. There you go. Spacing, please. Spacing. Focus on spacing. We take an aggressive
3,
move.
2, 1, chin.
Prioritize tying. There you go.
Flag up, flag up.
Flag up. Reformer here. Reform.
Flag up, flag up, flag
Fuck,
up.
the flag is getting down. Everyone pull. Reformer here.
3, 2, 1, chin.
Go. My flag just got the permanent dance. Space out. Like, move when you pick up a flag, please. There you go. Everyone, save your shot. And everyone use shots and go. Ooh, they got baited, but it's fine. Keep the flag up. Keep going. Flop. You can help. There you go. Stay in the blob. Come to the blob, please. Where the fuck is the blob? Hello? There you go. We lost. Pull the flag, please. Fucking hell, K6. Jesus Christ, man. There you go. Did we tie it at least? Roofing come right.
2, 1, chin.
No, where the fuck did I get we walked into it like a bit of a bait, but Jesus Christ. Keep flag moving, please, thank you. There you go. Just go for the break on this line. Yeah, just keep going for it.
Do I go more in these routines?
Let's flag down. That. No way, we didn't tie this, by the way. Alright, stab these guys here.
Okay.
Everyone up. Yeah, how we didn't tie this, disgusting.
3, 2, 1, chin.
Holy fuck, guys. We cannot let the middle of our line just get fucking decimated like that. Pick up the flag. Jesus Christ. Like, holy fuck, you guys are just getting decimated for bad spacing. That's it. Reform head forward.
3, 2, 1, chin.
Up again, reform. Up again. Yeah, I'm pushing my line off there again. Everyone shoot right, everyone shoot left. If you can. Yeah. Everyone up, reform it. Up. Reform.
3, 2, 1, chin.
On the reform.
Yeah, on the
We can drop
I mean, they're even in line, but they know they can just W key us now because holy
3, 2, 1, chin.
Run up and right. Yeah, we can brute force this. We just need to keep our fucking flag up and keep spacing. Like, holy fuck, stop giving them kills. They should not have any kills. There you go. Everyone up, from there. If you don't have a shot, shoot left.
Flag up.
3, 2, 1, chin.
They're shooting off flag with scary consistency. I don't know if it's us or like people picking up the flag and standing fucking still when they press E. But like, holy fuck. I don't know, man. You tell me. There you go. Reform it.
2, 1, chin.
And I am, because I don't really have shots on mine. Yeah, if you can shoot left, shoot left. Means the roofing wants to go in, so if you can shoot left, shoot left. There you
3, 2, 1, chin.
If you can shoot left, shoot left.
Go up left. Maybe supporters right there.
If you're winning in CS, you can take that. I'm shooting you for days, please. Roofing, take it.
3, 2, 1, chin.
Shoot it now. It's a blob. Shoot the blob. It's easy kills. If you just shoot left, there you go. It's easy kills. There you go. You want your KD, so go up. Yeah, you're all KD munches. There you go. If you want kills, you shoot left. There you go. If you want kills, you shoot left.
3, 2, 1, chin.
There you go.
Just stayed in there.
Nice. It honestly good.
2, 1, Chen.
He is gonna, he is. There you go. This is what it is. Alright, so Rufium, I want you to push up and left if you can, and then I kinda want to get an angle on my line, so. There you go. Rufium now. You outnumber them by 2, so again you can play aggressive if you want to, just don't do anything stupid. Yeah. But they only even that job. Oh, there, gee.
Flag up.
2, 1, Chen.
Everyone up, we're gonna recon there. There you go. Shots please, shots please, shots please. If you can, oh, there she came out of that hole. There you go. Shoot them, shoot them, shoot them, shoot them.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Nice, everyone shift it left, everyone shift it left, everyone shift left, everyone shift left, shift, recon in. Nice, there you go, flag up.
2, 1, Chen.
Nice, good shots, there you go. We do aggressive spacing, so nice spacing guys, please, please.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
I pray for good spacing, I pray for good spacing. There you go.
Flag up.
There you go. Stay in line, left side.
2, 1, Chen.
There you go. This Rufium, you might have to go help it. Nice. There you go. Recon here.
2, 1, Chen.
Oi. Yeah, and this way even in CS. Everyone pull. Yeah, CS. Just pull, save your life. Flag up, please. Thank you.
2, 1, Chen.
Space out as we pull, space out as we pull. So you don't get double release. Now reform in, reform, back to line. Nice, now get shots. Spacing please.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Up reform. Nice, there you go, spacing. There you go.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Nice, good shots. Look at that! Look at the fucking trading now that we actually have spacing. It's insane, isn't it? There you go.
The record for.
Everyone come left, everyone back and left, everyone save your shot.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
I'm giving you pressure. Everyone come this way. And everyone pull back. Just reform this, re-against the roofing. There you go. Shoot out line. And everyone pull. We got space down.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
So roofing, pull and reform, brother.
Flag up.
Yeah, pull. There you go.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Re-amble. It's a re-amble. And everyone pull. Spacing as we pull, please, as we get double loads. Space
3,
out.
2, 1, Chen.
Flag up.
Flag, please. There you go. Promising.
Fucking lasers, bro.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Worries about this because I'm getting double loads like a. Pancake's just maybe if you can turn right, pull it out. You can see an angle. Keep pulling.
Work, stop building, bro.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Flag foot CS if you can. Flag foot CS, thank you.
Flag up.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Again. Gonna reform it here, Just wanna re-go, holy fuck. There you go. Spacing again.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Forward, we come in.
3, 2, 1, Chen.
Spacing, please, brothers, in Christ, spacing. Holy fuck, some of you are getting wasted because it's just so shit.
2, 1, gent.
There, nice. Please keep your spacing. If you're pushing into like 30s or 40s in terms of like you know deaths and everything, it might be unlucky. But it might also be because we're dog shit at spacing. Reform here. I don't want to crash out. I don't want to crash out. I don't want to crash out. We're up 2 and we're losing in shots. Reform here forward.
2, 1, gent.
Run up, reform. There you go. Forward reform, forward reform, forward reform, forward reform.
2, 1, gent.
Flag please, there you go.
Flag up.
Flag up again.
Left side, pretty please come in.
Down that fucking flag, please. Please down that fucking flag.
2,
Use
1,
your shot.
gent.
Please, use them. If you have a shot, actually use it. Thank you. There you go. Stay in line, please.
Slightly close to the line. Flag up.
Where the fuck are you going? I've had enough, man. Just hit shots, please. What the fuck?
2, 1, gent.
Play the game. Nah, man, nah. What the fuck are we doing in spacing? This is
2,
horrendous.
1, gent.
Good, look, and everyone hold the B, everyone hold the B, everyone hold the B, everyone hold the B, and the flag gets down. Of course it gets fucking down. Why wouldn't they get down? Reform it in. Holy fuck. I'm gonna crash out. What the fuck are we doing? Holy fuck.
3,
Keep the
2,
flag
1,
up.
gent.
Spacing, this is horrific. Forward, reform it. Just push it. Like, holy fuck, man. It's actually horrific what we're doing. We outnumber them by 2, and just because of our spacing, we're like dribbling like dribblers. We are actual gimps. Because the spacing is horrific.
2, 1, gent.
You guys gotta pick up this fucking spacing. If your deaths are in double digits, there might be a reason why. There might be a reason.
Everyone has double digits deaths.
I know, but some people are pushing 40, and it's what it is. I am on 38, and it's because I'm
2, 1, gent.
You're the commander, you should have high deaths.
Very much. Doesn't mean all my rank is shit. Anyways, Jesus.
3, 2, 1, gent.
This is just a crash out episode of like for 30 minutes. Because I'm just lazy as the dog food and everyone up.
Alright guys, just be better. That's all I need to.
3, 2,
Hello.
1, gent.
Play the game. Have a frontal lobe, that's all I ask. I don't mean to shoot. There you go. Can we shoot that flag, please? Because
2,
clearly ours.
1, gent.
Oh, that's all. There you go. Forward reform. Go.
Flag up.
3, 2, 1, gent.
Reform him.
Flag up.
Flag up.
3, 2, 1, gent.
Flag up again. Why are we picking up these things still? I don't know.
When you're picking up the flag, just go into those circle.
Flag don't go over
Let them know you're
spaces. Flag up.
3, 2, 1, gent.
Oh my god, they're charging us! Everyone pull, come this way, everyone come here. Find me. Everyone go. Hold the B. In the blob, in.
2, 1, gent.
Push forward.
Flag up.
There you go. Flag up, please. There you go. Oh my fucking god, man. No. This is... You guys, what? Pull the flag!
Quickly kill.
Quickly, turn around.
We have 0.
Who is the chat reloading?
Every game, but like...
Correct.
Disturbing the fact that they fucking shoot us. Just pick up the flag. Come this way.
2, 1, gent.
On upwards. Let us do a pile. Come here. Spacing! What the fuck is this? Please, man. Black Knots 13 with space better than you guys. Holy fuck.
2, 1,
No wonder
gent.
we have an advantage, but it's completely mitigated when we when you have such shit spacing that it's just horrific.
Flag up.
The fact I have to go over spacing with Grenadiers is it's impeccable. From here.
3, 2, 1, gen.
We should be able to push this advantage, but no, we can't because we're just trading evenly for no reason whatsoever. It's like genuinely pathetic. I don't understand it.
2,
Hey,
1,
look
gen.
into that line as soon as we actually look at space. Hey,
Flag up.
space out, please. This entire line. Never come left.
2, 1, gen.
Are you broken, Zerufio? I come back. I come back. Oh, man. Just push up. Look how far you are. There you go.
3, 2, 1, gen.
I actually have 1 AFK as well, so it's even more promising.
Flag up.
No, they got one guy back, 618.
Oh,
2, 1, gen.
recon here. Spacing. Yeah, space, recon.
3, 2, 1, gen.
I'm gonna crash out. Why are we standing next to each other? Why are we standing next to each other? Please, just space. This is just inhumane, man. Just fucking space.
3, 2, 1, gen.
Recon.
Guys, don't shoot before spacing out.
Three, 2, 1, gen.
They're stacking their right, so fucking shoot it. There you go. Reform it here. There you go. Shoot it. Shoot. And everyone up.
3, 2, 1, gen.
Up. There you go. Reform it here. Shoot them. Fucking shoot them as they fall. Clearly, we can't even trade evenly on the net. Oh, they look get it, man. Everyone up. Reform.
2, 1, gen.
That is always an opportunity.
Yeah, they have the entire map to run, that's the only thing. Yeah, I do get my comments. Fucking gimps, man.
2, 1, gen.
Rufen, I'm making a play for your line if you want to stop pushing. Push now, push. Okay, that's too far away. Save your shots. We can maybe just go for it. Fuck it, why not? Come this way.
2, 1, gen.
If you're in the back, ramble for the flag behind us, so we can get respawns in.
If you're on zoomer, I'll just go forward and back. If you're up again, just go forwards. Pancakes pull back, pancakes pull into the middle.
Flag up.
Go. Hold the B. Hold the B. Hold the B. Just get breakpoints. Oh my god, I can't even go with that. Oh my. Oh, it's promising.
3, 2, 1, gen.
Come up. Everyone in. Get up here, this way, flag up. So we're not stacking, there you go. Hey, you can come back for it.
3, 2, 1, gen.
Just reform it. Ooh, reform. A bit of a shit line for this. Everyone up. Keep shooting. Everyone in. Hold the B. Everyone hold the B. Flag up and hold the B. Shoot my line. Shoot the melee. Flag, please. Everyone in. Their flags on. They'll pick it up. Get it. Stop. I'm holding. There you go. And now in this way. Alright, I've got a flag cap. Pancakes, just careful of a rush line.
Nice job there, French.
2, 1, gen.
It's fucking 30 minutes and we finally just got W, like actually. Just pull, don't trade it. Pancakes, just pull, please. Okay, play for 34
3,
seconds.
2, 1, gen.
Keep your flag up for 34 seconds. Keep your flag up for 34 seconds, that's what you have to do.
This is the first battle in like a few months we actually win. if we don't.
600 points, not bad.
Not yesterday.
Even if they get capped, I think we're
No,
still.
it was
2,
counted
1,
as a
10.
draw.
Yeah, we're good.
But as a regiment.
Yeah, it's
We don't
Yeah,
have like
that's
even
good.
the.
That's all that I need to get across. Yeah, get close. That was a cope fucking session of heartbeat played poorly. Just
3, 2, 1, 10.
You do what other just farm ones, bro?
yeah. I mean, clearly it worked, but Prohaska was horrific today. I just want to say that as well. Like, Jesus Christ.
God damn, bro, selling.
Not bad though. Yeah, 300 point winning.